They've lost so much, they're scared, they don't know what the next steps are.
Happening now in Central Oregon, flood levels in Burns have receded enough for people to get back to their homes and begin assessing the damage. You know, more than 80 homes suffered extensive damage. They can't be lived in now. Some local businesses and important infrastructure were also destroyed. To date, more than 130 people have spent the night in the Red Cross Emergency Shelter, which is operating at the Harney County Fairgrounds, and the damage estimated to be millions of dollars. And towns the size of Burns don't have the resources to recover from disasters this big. One thing making the recovery even more difficult, many of the homes there do not have flood insurance.
Insurance company said that they're not going to be able to cover our house because we're in a flood zone. And then right then and there, we were telling her that situation. We're like, can you guys cover? She's like, no, that's what you get for moving to a small town. This is what it is. And it always floods like this every year.
We are now starting to provide immediate assistance. So there is a website, redcross.org/gethelp. And you can find this disaster and start filling out an application with your information about your house that was damaged. And in a few days, we'll reach out to you and we'll help provide financial assistance.
And while homeowners begin to comprehend the enormity of the task and expense to clean and repair their damaged homes, efforts are underway to prevent a repeat of the flooding. A levee that broke is being shored up in preparation for the next expected rise of the swollen Silvies River there. And our hearts go out to the people in Burns. We've got a lot of great viewers out that way. And so we're with you on this, and hopefully you'll recover soon.
Yeah, and Josh, you've been talking about the rainfall is one thing, but then you think about the snowmelt that's coming. I mean, that's the real concern here.
Yeah, so this is definitely going to be a prolonged event, unfortunately, although we have seen some improvements, and one of those improvements comes with the National Weather Service actually setting a time for that flood warning to expire for the Burns area, set to come to an end early Sunday morning. So there is a brief end in sight as many flooded roadways and homes still remain across the Burns area. But let's actually talk about what is causing all of this flooding. If you're unfamiliar with the geography, you got the higher terrain to the north. That's where all of the snowpack is. But as we warm up those temperatures and even have additional snow or rain move through the region, all of that water starts to pile up into the Silvies River. And as it enters into some more flat land, that's where we start to see those riverbanks overflow, thus giving us the flooding conditions out towards Burns. Let's go ahead and give you a forecast of where the action stage is right now. Expected to return back up to that minor stage by about the time we get into Saturday. So our next peak could potentially push some of those waters higher again as warmer temperatures once again move their way back into much of the state. That's where we are currently sitting at 62 degrees and 60s for much of the eastern half of the state. Just about the same for the western half as well, as temperatures are in the upper 50s for the coastline. Thankfully, no additional moisture is expected as of the next 12 hours or so, but that will be changing as the cloud coverage is widespread here across the Willamette Valley, the coast, and the Cascades as we prepare for our next cold front. But right now, beautiful live look at the Willamette River out over downtown Portland as we hover right around the mid-60s. Your VVOL forecast does give us those temperatures hovering in the low 60s all the way through the 8 o'clock hour as our sunset now is approaching 7:50. You got the green bikes to go and enjoy the great outdoors as this ridge of high pressure is the culprit for that warming trend, especially for the eastern half of the state. But you'll notice this cold front swings through our area. That's going to be for the second half of the day. Tomorrow, lingering showers possible Friday, but again, the eastern half of our state likely going to be staying on the drier side. So that is the good news for the Silvies River as another additional ridge of high pressure begins to build. That's going to create that teeter-totter effect. One moment it's cool and wet, the next we dry things out, return the sunshine, and put those temperatures back into the 60s, if not low 70s, as our futurecast keeps us dry until we get to tomorrow afternoon. This is just after lunch for the coastline. Heavy down downpours with this next cold front. It's going to move its way into the I-5 corridor by about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's fast moving, drying out those skies for your late evening commute at 7 o'clock, keeping the mostly cloudy skies until we push ourselves into Friday morning. More sunshine, temperatures once again trying to rebound, but I think we'll still hover in towards the 50s for the end of the week. So rain accumulation is going to hold off for the Willamette Valley through about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Then we pile up the rain close to about 1/10 of an inch, closer to a quarter out along the coast. So for tonight here in the city, mostly dry, cloudy. Temperature is going to be falling back into the low 50s. Tomorrow, approaching some warmer conditions once more as we anticipate a sun-cloud mix to once again find its way back into the Pacific Northwest, but impacting our temperatures, pushing us back down into the mid-50s for Saturday with a few scattered showers. Not a washout of a weekend. Back to the mid-60s Sunday and low 70s for the start of next week with a sun-cloud mix. So this kind of turbulent forecast, weather whiplash from day to day, is just going to take us through the middle of next week.
Okay, but I see more drier days in the next 7 days than you had yesterday.
Yeah, and that's typical for April, so we like to see it.
All right, thanks, Josh.
Yeah.